As the first step of the configuration, you will have to integrate your Google Tag Manager account. There are two options to do. 1. You can use the Conversios default container. 2. You can use your own container. To set up your own container, click on Sign in with Google. You will see a pop-up window. Be sure to sign in using a Google account that has admin access to Google Tag Manager. Click on Select All to provide complete access and other information to use the app's functionality, and click on Continue. Once you have enabled all the required permissions and signed in with your Google account, you will be able to see all Google Tag Manager accounts linked to your Google account. Select the specific GTM container ID you wish to link and hit Connect to complete the setup. If you want to create a new container, click on Create New Container. Select the GTM account from the drop-down, and hit Create. You will see the new container created. Click Connect to complete the setup. Thank you for watching.